In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth,
Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters.
and God said, "Let there be light," and there was light.
God saw that the light was good, except he separated the light from the darkness.
God called it the light day, and the darkness he called the night. And there was evening, and there was morning the first day.
And God said, let there be a gulf between the waters, to separate from water.
So God made the valued bolt and separate the water under the bolt from the water above it, and it was so.
God called the vault down, and there was evening and there was morning, the second day.
And God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered to one place, and let dry ground appear." And it was so.
God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good.
Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, vegetation, seeded bearing plants and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it, according to their various kind." And it was so.
Land produced vegetations, plants bearing seed according to their kinds, and trees bearing fruit with seed in it, according to their kinds. God saw that it was good.
And there was evening, and there was morning, the three day.
God said, let there be lights in the vault, the sky, to separate the day from the night, and let them serve as signs to mark sacred times and days and years.
And let them be light in the vault of the sky to give light on the earth. And it was so.
God made two great lights. Greater light govern the day, and the lesser light govern night. He also made the stars.
God set them in the vault of the sky to give light on the earth.
Govern the day and the night, and separate light from darkness. God saw it was good.
And there was evening, and there was morning to the fourth day.
God said, let the waters teem with living creatures, and let the birds fly above the earth across the vaults of the sky.
So God created the great creature of the sea and every living thing with which the water tips and that movie about in it according to their kinds, and every wind wiggly bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good.
God blessed them and said, be fruitful and increase in numbers, and fill the waters and the seas, and let the birds increase on the earth.
And there was evening, and there was morning, the fifth day.
God said, let the land produce living creatures according to their kinds, the livestock, the creatures that move along the ground, the wild animals, each according to its kind. And it was so.
God made the wild animal according to their kind, the livestock according to their kinds, and all the creatures that move among the ground according to their kind. And God saw that it was good.
God said, let's make mankind in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, over the livestock and all the wild animals, and over all the creatures that move along the ground.
So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God, he created them. Male and female, he created them.
God blessed them and said to them, be fruitful, increase in numbers, fill the earth and subdue it, rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky and over every living creature that move on the ground.
Then God said, I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. There will be yours for food.
And to all the beasts of the earth, and all the birds in the sky, and all the creatures that move along the ground, everything that has the breath of life in it, I give every green plant for food. And it was so.
God saw all that he has made, and it was very good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the sixth day. Amen.